In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in CapCut video. Now, for us to get this done, I have this CapCut video right here. And say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add a text. It's actually quite simple. What I'm going to do is just tap the text button here. And then let's say, for example, we're going to go ahead and add around here. Click add text. And then you can go ahead and type here whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and try to type here summer 2024 or 2025, say, for example. And then we're going to go ahead and basically click this one. Now you can go ahead and paste this whenever you want or wherever you want. Say, for example, in my case, I'm just going to put it here and maybe just shorten this a little bit. I can do that by just dragging this one right here to the right if you want to make it longer, and then to the left if you want to make it shorter. So again, summer, and let's go ahead and change the style. We can go ahead and click this one right here, and you should be able to see here different fonts. So go ahead and click the fonts over there, and let's go ahead and choose something that is bold. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find something in here. All right, say for example that one, and then you also have here different styles, effects, animations that you can do. But yeah, I'm gonna head over to the style and then make this a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and make it just black, or white rather. Okay, just something like that. And then we're going to go ahead and click this one right here. All right, so let's go ahead and play the video with the text on it. If we are going to play that, you should be able to see the text appear just like so. And then afterwards, it should disappear. All right, there you go, everybody. So yep, from this point forward, you can go ahead and do other edits that you think you'll be needing. And that is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.